Blending words with at. We will learn few words with at by using the phonic sounds. Let's get started. This is alphabet A, and in phonic A sounds like a, and this is T, and in phonic T sounds like ta. So all together we will say at. Let's learn few words with at. Can you identify this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a cat, and it's a moving cat. So how can we spell cat? Yes, at first we have to spell at. Since we are saying cat, so we have to put ka before at. So let's put it. Yes, ka. This is alphabet C, and in phonics C sounds like ka. So all together we will say at, ka at cat. We won't spell like this, ka at cat. No, we have to say at first. At, ka at cat. One more time. At, ka at cat. And cat means biral. Cat means biral. Moving on, next slide. Okay, can you identify this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a bat, cricket bat. So how can I spell bat? Yes, at first we have to spell at. And since we are saying bat, so we have to put ba before at. This is alphabet B, and in phonic B sounds like ba. So all together we will say at, ba at bat. At, ba at bat. Okay, this is a picture of rat. So how can I spell rat? We know at first we have to say at, and since we are saying rat, so we have to put r before at. This is alphabet R, and in phonic R sounds like r. So how can I spell all together? At rat. At rat. And rat means idur. Rat, idur. Let's underline the names of the picture. So can you identify this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a cat. So which one is cat over here? First one, at, ka at cat. And second one said at, ba at bat. No, this two is not correct. First one is cat. So let's underline first one, at, ka at cat. This is the picture of a bat. So which one is bat over here? First one, second one, or third one? Yes, second one said at, ba at bat. So we have to underline the second one. Very good. And this is the picture of a rat. So which one is correct? Cat, bat, or rat? Third one. Yes, at, ra at rat. So we have to underline the last one. Okay, let's join the words. This is ka, ba, r. And let's join these three alphabet with at. First one, ka. Let's join this. Ka at cat. Cat means biral. Second one, ba at bat, and bat. And this is r. Let's join this. R at rat. Rat means idur. At rat. Rat means idur. That's how we can join this word. Let's do some fill in the blanks. This is the picture of a cat. So at is already here. So which one is missing? Yes, ka is missing. So let's put ka before at. Now it's completed. At, ka at cat. This is the picture of a bat. So at is already here. So you have to put ba in this blank. Ba at bat. Very good. And here this is rat. And at is already here. So we have to put r before at. Now it's completed. At rat. At rat. Very good.